Do you love me, Sam?
What do you think, Mum?
Well, you never say it.
What are you on about?
You say ditto. It's not the same.
People say I love you all the time. It doesn't mean anything.
Sometimes I need to hear it. What should we do?
Just let me handle it.
Give me your wallet. Sam, just give it to him.
Just take the money, but leave the...